अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। उम्मीद है तुम ऐसो पन्न पन्न जायन पे ठीक पट तुहद खैर मकदम यथ सान यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेशन एनक्लेवस मज सी टेट या जे के टेट एस्पिरेंटन खतर ऑलरेडी यूजन वीडियो अपलोड कर्मुत डिस्कस कर्मुत व्हेन वायर एंड हाउ यूजन डील करान सोशल स्टडीज या सोशल साइंस पोर्शन हिस्ट्री से अत पे तुहद सहूलियत खतर के MCQs बनाम व्हेन वायर एंड हाउस पे ऑलरेडी वीडियो डिस्कस आम कर वन बन अत पे MCQs। MCQ नंबर फर्स्ट अगर वो the Sangam literature gives us useful information about the history of South India during the reign of यानी इसी संगम लिटरेचर याद लेखान अर्लीस्ट नोन लिटरेचर तमिल लिटरेचर यानी अम साथ डायनास्टियस चोलास पांडवास चीरास ऑल ऑफ द अबव यानी अमिक ऑप्शन ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट आंसर यानी the Sangam literature gives us useful information about the history of South India during the reign of all of the above. MCQ number 2 who wrote the book Tehqiq-i-Hind यानी Tehqiq-i-Hind यो जन बुक छ ये अमिक ऑथर कुछ अमिक ऑथर छ सा मेगास्थीनस हेरोडोटस अमीर खसरो अल-बिरूनी अमिक बुक यानी Tehqiq-i-Hind also known as अत लिखान किताबुल हिंद यह लेचमत अबू रयान अल-बिरूनी युस जन पर्शियन पॉलीमैथ यह बुक लेखन अरबिक लिटरेचर मज यानी अरबी जबान मज करेक्ट ऑप्शन अल-बिरूनी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 which of the following threw light on Harappan यानी रोशनी त्रमज हरापानस पे सह रॉक एडिक्ट्स archaeological excavations writing in terracotta seals all of the above यानी अगर रोशनी वो हरापन कम से रोशनी तथ पे त्र archaeological excavations यानी ऑप्शन बी हसा अमिक करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 what does BC and AD stands for यानी यम साथ डेट मेंशन करान कौन सी डेट लेखान BC या AD पत्किन यानी BC तो AD क्या यानी BC Anno Domini and before common चाहिए B option before Christ and Anno Domini C Anno Domini and before Christ none यानी BC stands for before Christ and AD stands for Anno Domini यानी I mean appropriate answer तेरे option B। Question number 5 which objects can archaeologists find which may be made of stone यानी यम तन archaeologists के objects दरियाफ्त करमत यम जन made up of stone बनेमत तिमन मज कुस कुछ remains of buildings paintings and sculpture tools weapons and ornaments found by excavation coins pots pans found beneath the surface of earth all of the above यानी यम तन objectives यम सारी objectives हसा made of stone यानी all of the above is correct answer। Question number 6 which of the following is not the period of division of Indian history by James Mill यानी James Mill युजन division of Indian history करमत कुछ division of period of division of Indian history by James Mill option A Hindu option B Muslim option C Christian option D Sikhs यानी तम वोनमत Hindu Muslim Christian युसने मेंशन कोरमत कहीं सो नेबर दैट इज Sikhs यानी ऑप्शन डी appropriate answer। इथे वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 अगर वो which of the following are characteristics of a manuscript यानी कम फीचर अकि मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट आसान ए ऑप्शन इट इज रिटन ऑन हार्ड सरफेस या हार्ड सरफेस पे लिखित सच एज स्टोन और मेटल बी इट इज एन ओल्ड बुक रिटन बाय हैंड सी इट इज रिटन ऑन ए palm leaf or on specially prepared bark of a bridge tree. At वन के codes दित यमो code वन चुटन appropriate answer question. Code first only A option छे, code second B and C हो छे, code third only B, code fourth A, B and C. यानी appropriate answer छे B and C. यानी code second B and C. Then question number 8. What is the meaning of periodization in history? Meaning of periodization in history मज क्या है अमिक meaning वचो periodization क्या गो history मज. A option deciding the period of time for which an age like Neolithic or Paleolithic age lasts. Option B dividing the earlier times into fixed periods of 100 years each. C demarcating of time into different unequal periods based on the occurrence of some significant events. None of the above. In a appropriate answer in a periodization in history means demarcating of time into different unequal periods based on the occurrence of some significant events. Question number 9. Who was the Scottish economist and political philosopher during 1817? A Scottish economist be political philosopher during Erasmus 1817 AD Yosa Wellesley, James Prinsep, Canning and James Mill. You see Scottish economist and political philosopher during 1817, that was James Mill. Appropriate answer chart D. Question number 10. History is about finding out how things were in the past. History how about finding out how things were in the past and how things have dashed, changed, started, ended, oblique, completed, evolved. Things have changed. Option A. Question number 11. How did many historians refer British period in India? Various historians Tim British period India other name divan by now present modern vanosa, colonial vanosa, political subjugation vanosa ya none. Actually varia historian British period in India's colonial period. Question number 12. History is considered to be a study of. History deal karan. Study of यह फ्यूचर हावान, यह कंपैरिजन्स करान, यह पास्ट हावान, यह प्रेजेंट हावान. यानी साथ हिस्ट्री कत करो यह हावान पास्ट इवेंट्स. यानी इट इज अ स्टडी. यानी हिस्ट्री इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ स्टडी ऑफ द पास्ट. यानी करान हिस्ट्री डील करान पास्ट से. यानी द पास्ट टू बी अ स्टडी ऑफ द पास्ट अमिक एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Name the 3-volume work of James Mill, the Scottish economist and philosopher. Name 3 volume work करमस James Miller. James Mill Scottish economist philosopher was क्या लिखमस Glimpses of India लिखमस, History of British India लिखमस and Ancient History of India, Glimpses of British India. यानी 3-volume work such history of British India. Option B history of British India 3-volume work commission James Mills. Question number 14. Autobiographies are account of people written by whom? Autobiographies is a lookan mutalik written by whom ये कुछ लिखान. ये historian लिखान, ये calligraphists लिखान, by other people in themselves. Option D themselves. Question number 15. When did the National Archives came up in India? 1875, 1956, 1920, 1985. Appropriate answer to 1920 National Archives came up in India. Question number 16. Where was National Archives in India located? Mumbai, Madras, Delhi, none. Where was National archives in India located? Mumbai man cha amik, Madras, Delhi. Yani ये हसा च locate कत करित Delhi मज. 17th question. The earliest inscription on stone wire in which language? यानी जैसे कुंदाकारी च inscript छाम engraved छाम करना on stones. ये कस language में छाम गोडने लिखने. In which language? इच्छा प्राकृत, इच्छा पाली, इच्छा संस्कृत, इच्छा ब्राह्मणी. यानी इच्छा लिखित प्राकृत language में. The earliest inscription on stone wire in which language? That is Prakrit. Question number 18. The first excavation concerning the Harappan civilization was carried out at Khudait Gai, Yagaya Harapas man, Yagaya Manjudaros man, Yaga Lothal, Ya Rangpur, yani Chikamas Harapara. Question number 19. Numismatics is the study of. Numismatics is the study of. You can study it, you can discourse it, it's a coins relate, it's a numbers and space or stamps. Yani study of coins, that study chilekhanes, that field chilekhanes, numismatics, yani coins deal kara. Question number 20. The study of persons descent from their ancestors called genealogy, archaeology, anthropology, none. Yani study of persons descent. Yani family tree as deal karan. Tasa se lekhan as genealogy. Yani option A is correct answer. Objective number 21. Which one of the following statements is false? First option, history is about changes that over time, about finding out how things were in the past and how things have changed. It's option 1. Option 2, in the histories narrated by British historians about India, the role of each governor general was important. Third, James Mill divided Indian history into 3 periods: Hindu, Muslim, and Christians. Option C. Option D. The British in India believed that surveys were important for effective administration. This question is statement galat. James Mill divided Indian history into 3 periods: Hindu, Muslim, and Christian. In option C, the third option. Question number 22. Which is the criteria to decide that a particular date is important in history? Option first, they are the date of birth of a king or emperor. Second, a particular event or set of events had occurred on or around that date. It is the date of coronation of a king. All of the above. Decide a particular date has been important. Important in history because a particular event or set of events has occurred on or around that date. Question number 23. Which of the following are incorrect statements? Incorrect statements. A option, the archaeological evidence is obtained by the systematic examination of building, monuments, and work of art. Option B, the credit for excavating the pre-Aryan past goes to Sir William Jones. Option C, the Ascetic Society of Bengal established on 1786. James Mill is known as the father of Indian archaeology. Ne achike code is it A and B, second C and D, B and D, fourth B, C and D. Yani appropriate answer is code second yani C and D. Question number 24. Consider the following statements. A and B, the statement is costed on the study of coins and choose the correct option. Coin mutalik, choose the correct option. A of the study of coins is known as numismatics. Statement A here, statement B here. The coins gives us an idea about the socio-political aspect of that period. Both A and B are true. A is false and B is true. A and B are false, A is true and B is false. यानी appropriate answer अगर वो both A and B are true. यानी यह study of coinage आपसे लिखाना है numismatics भी आसे जी हम coinage है दिवा information about socio-political aspect of that period. Question number 25. Which of the following are correct statements? Literary sources includes manuscripts. B. These writings were written by hands. C. It gives a reliable glimpses of culture and civilizations of the age. D option. Raj Tarangni was written by Bambu Bhatta. यानी कोड च बन कर दित को स्टेटमेंट च करेक्ट A and B, A, B and C, B, C and D, A, B and D, all of these. यानी आज करेक्ट आंसर इज A, B and C. यानी ऑप्शन A. Question number 26. Which objects can archaeologists find which may be made of stone? Option first, remains of buildings, paintings. Option second, tools, weapons and ornaments found by excavation. Option third, coins, pots and pans found beneath the surface of earth. Fourth option, all of the above. I mean, question answer to all of the above. Question number 27. What is the meaning of periodization in history? Deciding the period of time for which an age like Neolithic or Paleolithic age lasts. Option B. Dividing the earlier times into fixed periods of 100 years each. Option C. Demarcating of time into different unequal periods based on the occurrence of some significant events. None of the above. Option C has the correct answer. Question number 28. Which of the following statements about ancient manuscript is not correct? Is the correct key? They were usually written on palm leaves. They are primary source of the period they reflected. They were handwritten and then printed. Some manuscripts were engraved on stone or metal. Option is option third, they were handwritten and then printed. Correct answer. Question number 29, last question. What is common era? A new era developed by amalgamation of Hindu and Islamic era. A new era to study historical events. C. Christian era, which is now accepted in major parts of the world. Indian era, accepted by the government to issue notices. Appropriate answer to option third. Christian era, which is now accepted in major parts of the world. Objectives C TET, JK TET, aspirant in khatra. Where, when and how topic. First topic history, social studies या social science. तो ऐसी वीडियो एंड तम वुचान तुम कर चैनल लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. God bless you.